Hi guys, today I'm going to talk to you about Speakaboos. Speakaboos is an interactive app that has over 200 read-aloud stories and songs for children ages 2 to 6, which is perfect for beginning readers. You can get Speakaboos just like you would any other app. Go to the App Store, type in Speakaboos, and download the app. If you're using it on your laptop, you can go to speakaboos.com, make an account, and then click the green button on the right hand side that says Launch Speakaboos, and I have a picture right here. Make sure you have Adobe Flash 12 or above, otherwise it might be difficult to run. I know I came across this problem when using it on my laptop. So I'm going to go through some of the features, and then at the end I will show you how to use it. So once you're in, there's lots of different categories that you can choose from. I'm going to go through the Three Little Pigs, and there's a home button which will just take you to the beginning of the virtual book. In Read to Me, it's just like it sounds. The story is read out loud, and the words light up as you read it. In Read and Play, you have to wait until the whole page is read to interact, but children will know which features that they can interact with because they will light up. If you look at this little pig here, it has a circle that lights up, and many of the other features will, you'll be able to click on them. And Read It to Myself, it's just like it sounds. The child will be able to read it to themselves. If they don't know a word, they can simply click on it. There's also a Sing to Me feature, which are just songs to go along with stories. The app also has a pause button and arrows at the bottom of the page to flip back and forth just like you would a book. And now I'm going to go to the website and show you some of the features. Okay, now I'm on the website. I'm going to go to Launch Speakaboos. It takes a little while to download.
Home.
I'm going to go to Classics.
Classics.
And I'll show you the story on my PowerPoint, The Three Little Pigs.
The Three Little Pigs. Choose Read to Me, Read and Play, or Read It Myself to get started.
So now I'll go through it.
Read to Me.
I'm going to go to Read to Me.
Once upon a time, there were three little pigs named
And Read
and Play.
Once upon a time, there were three little pigs named Penelope, Paul, and Peter. The pig
That we each get our own houses, strong houses that won't fall apart.
Tap the picture to explore.
So you can click on any of these features. Some of the characters will speak.
That does it. We can't live in this old shack anymore.
And one more feature that I want to show you is the
Classics.
Sing to Me. So I'm going to go to Goldilocks.
Goldilocks. Choose Sing to Me to get started. Sing to me.
So the nice thing about this app is that it basically tells you how to use it while you're using it. Speakaboos can be used in the classroom through independent reading time. The teachers could give students a designated time to explore the app. Or center time, children could be told to listen to a specific story or read a specific story, depending on the level that they're at. And the teacher could ask questions or create a project around the story if they wanted to. Teachers could also encourage parents to download the app so the children could use it at home. One thing I think would be beneficial on this app is the ability to evaluate children's progress, and unfortunately, this app does not provide that. In the NET standard, I found 3 standards: facilitate and inspire student learning and creativity, promote and model digital citizenship and responsibility. Um, I feel that this app advances student learning, and the model is easy to use, and I think that promotes digital citizenship. And it promotes being a lifelong learner as well, because they are finding unique ways to strengthen their skills. On the ISTE standards, I found 2: an empowered learner and digital citizenship. Students are able to take initiative in their learning. They can use the app to practice their reading. If the child does not feel comfortable reading it on their own yet, they can use the app and have it read to them. If they need help, they can simply click on the word and it'll be read to them. Digital citizenship. This app can be used on a laptop, cell phone, or an iPad. It's extremely accessible. Hopefully, this will show students that there is an easy to use app and a variety of digital devices that will help them learn and work on any skills that they would like to strengthen. Privacy settings, it didn't seem to be heavily protected. Parents and or teachers could use their email or Facebook to log in. There is an age verification. Um, when I was reading the privacy policy, it did say that it adhered to the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act and other data privacy laws. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope you explore this app. Bye.